Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can create a job marketplace website like Fiverr or Upwork. Let's say you want to start a business where you can provide different services like these to your customers. Or let's say you want others to offer their service like this on your site. You can do that by creating a website like this. So anyone who's visiting your site can buy the service they want and get the service completed by you or the person who posted the service. So after watching this video, you will be able to create a job marketplace website like this. Now if a visitor wants to find a service, they can just enter the service they want here. And if they click search, they can see all the services available on your site. Now these services can be posted by the admin and also by other freelancers on your site. So if a visitor wants to buy any of these services, they can just select it and they can see the description of the service here. Now if the visitor wants to get this service, they can contact you just by clicking here and they can send you a message here. Once the visitor is ready, they can buy the service directly from your website. And once the payment is done, you or the owner of the service can provide the service to the buyer. Okay, now on this site, you can also let your visitors post their services here. So if a visitor wants to post their service, all they have to do is click post job, enter the details of the service and post it. It's that simple. Now you can also collect a commission from the sales that sellers make on your site. And finally, we will see how you can customize your site to any style you want just by using drag and drop like this. Okay, so let's get started. So to create a freelancing website, we are going to do 4 parts. The first part is to launch your website. This is where we get a new website live on the internet. So to launch your site, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this website called makeyourwp.com, where you will find the freelancing website. Now to see how the site looks, just click demo. And here you can see the complete freelancing website that we are going to launch. Now if we go to this page, you can see all the jobs that are posted here. So to get this freelancing website, just click launch site. Then enter your details and click next. Now enter your payment details and click sign up now. So now we have successfully purchased the website. Now to launch our site, click launch new site and it will take you to this page. Now here, enter the website address that you want. I'm going to enter online hired. Now your website address will be onlinehired.makeyourwp.com, which people will use to visit your site. And as you can see, our freelancing website has already been selected. Now once you have entered your URL, let's click launch new site. And as you can see, our brand new website has been launched successfully. So now if you click visit, you can see that we have got the exact site that we saw on the website name that we selected. Now this is just a temporary link to your site. You can easily change this to your own .com domain. We'll see that later in this video. Okay, once you've launched your site, if you want to make any changes, you will have to log into your site. Now to log into your site, all you have to do is just go back to makeyourwp and then click admin. As you can see, we have now logged into our site. This is the place from where you can control your entire website. So now we have successfully launched our site and logged into our dashboard. Once you have launched your site, we can go to the next part, which is to get the freelancing theme. Once you get the website, Now, in order to make our freelancing theme work properly and to get all the updates in the future, we need to purchase the freelancing theme and activate it. So to do that, just click the link below this video and it'll take you to this theme page. This is the freelancing theme which we are going to use for our site. So to get it, click download and then fill up these details. Here, enter your payment details and click continue. Now scroll down and click place order. So now we have successfully got the theme. Now if you click here, you can see we have got a license key. We are going to use this key to activate our freelancing theme. So to do that, let's go back to our dashboard. Now go to Premium Press and click Settings. Now scroll down and click License Key. Now here you need to enter the license key which you got with the theme. So let's go to this tab. Copy this key. Then go back here and paste the key. Now click here and then click update. So now we have successfully got our theme and activated it. Once you're done, next, let's go to the third part of the video where we'll see how you can post a job on your website. First, let's go to our website. So now if you click search listing, you can see all the sample jobs posted on your website. Now instead of these sample jobs, what if you want to post your jobs here? So to post your jobs, we are going to do two steps. The first step is to delete these sample jobs. So to delete them, let's go to our dashboard. Now click here. And here you can see all the sample jobs posted on your site. Now to delete them, just click here to select all the jobs. And then click here and select delete. Now if we click update, you can see that all the sample jobs have been deleted. So now if we go to our site and click refresh, you can see that we now have this blank page, which means we can now post our jobs. Once you have deleted the sample jobs, next you can now go to step 2, which is to post a job on your site. So to post a job, let's go back to our dashboard. Now click add job and it will take you to this page. Now here, enter the title you want to post your job. I'm going to enter I will design a logo for your company. And here, enter the details and the service which you will provide with the job. Next, click here and select the category of your job. I'm going to select this. If you can't find your category, you can add your own category. So to do that, just click Manage and it will take you to this page where you can add a new category. Now here, enter the name for your new category which you want to add to your job. And then click Add New Category. As you can see, the new category has been added to the list. In the same way, you can add any category you want. Now if you go back to this tab, click refresh and click here, you can see that we have got a new category. Now just select it to add it to your job. Once you have done that, scroll down and here, enter some keywords related to your job which will help your visitors to find the job easily on your site. So I'm going to enter a few keywords related to my job. Now let's add an image for our job. So just scroll down, click browse, select the image you want and click open. As you can see, the image has been added. Once you're done, scroll up and click details. Now here, select the skills and personalities that you have. If you want to add more options under this section, just click Manage Fields and it will take you to this page. Now enter the option that you want to add. Click Add New Category and it will be added to the list. Now if we go back to this tab and click Refresh, you can see that we have got the option under this section. Now select it, then go to Prices. Now here you can give different plans for your visitors when they purchase your job. I'm going to make these 3 plans available for my visitors. First, let's enter the details of this plan. Here, enter the name of your plan. I'm going to enter Basic Plan. Now here, enter the price you want. And then here, enter the details of your plan. In the same way, you can enter these details for the second and third plan. Once you have filled in all the details, just click Save Changes. So now we have successfully posted a job on our site. Now if we go to our website and click Refresh, you can see that the job has been posted on our site. Now if we click on it, you can see all the details which we have entered. Now let's say a visitor needs a job done and searches on your site. They will find your job and if they click View, it will ask them to log into their account. So to create an account, let's click Sign Up and it will give them 2 options. Since the visitor wants to view and purchase the job, they can sign up as a member. So let's choose that. Now to create the account, fill up these details. Check this box. Then click Register. And it will ask for an email verification. So if a visitor goes to their inbox, you can see that they have received the mail. Now if they open it and click on this link, it will take them to the members dashboard. So now the visitor has created an account and become a member. This means they can now view any job on the site and order the ones they want. Now if the visitor clicks here, it will show them all the jobs available on the site. So if they want to view the details of this job, they can click here. And now they can view all the details given in this job. Now let's say they want to purchase the job, and if they click Buy Now, you can see that the button is not working. This is because we have not set up a payment method on our website. So to allow customers to purchase a job on our site, we need to set up a payment method. So next, let's see how you can set up a payment method. So to set it up, let's go to our dashboard. Now go to Checkout. Click on Payment Gateways. And you can see the 2 payment methods available. You can select the one you want. I'm going to choose Stripe. So let's click that. Now to set up the payment method, we need to enter these details and connect our Stripe account. Once you connect your Stripe account, you will be able to receive payments directly to your bank account when someone purchases a job. So if you don't have a Stripe account, you need to create one and connect it with your website. So to create the account, just click the link below this video. Then click Start Now. Now fill in these details. And click Create Account. So now we have successfully created our Stripe account. Once you've created your Stripe account, in order to receive payments using this account,
you need to activate the account. So to activate it, let's click Start and then fill up these details. Now click Continue. And here you need to enter your bank account details where you want to receive your payments. So just enter your details. And now, when someone purchases a job on your site, that money will be sent to this account. So once you've entered these details, just click Save. And now you have successfully activated our Stripe account. So once you've activated your Stripe account, to let customers make payments on your site, you need to connect this account with your website. So to connect it, just click here. And you can see the details needed to connect the account with the website. Now to connect the account, we need to copy these details and paste them here. So to copy these details, just click here to copy and then paste it here. Now let's click here and then paste it. Now as you can see here, this currency is in pound sterling. Let's say you want to change it to US dollars. You can click here and enter USD. Once you have entered these details, just click Save Settings and our Stripe account will be connected with our website. So now we have successfully set up the payment method on our website. So to check it, let's go to our site and click Refresh. Now if the visitor wants to purchase a job and clicks Buy Now, and now if they click Pay Now, it will take them to the payment page. Here they can enter the email ID and card details. And then click Pay. You can see that the order has been placed.
So now you know how you can post a job on your website and set up a payment method. Now, what if you want to let other freelancers post their service on your site so that your visitors can get the service from your website? Next, let's see how you can allow other freelancers to post a job on your website. By doing this, you can earn a commission whenever a freelancer completes a job on your website. So when a customer orders a job, the full amount will be paid to you. Once the freelancer completes and delivers the order, you can keep the portion of the amount as your commission and send the remaining amount to the freelancer. So to allow freelancers to post a job on our site, first, we need to set up a commission. So to set it up, let's go to our dashboard.
Now go to Checkout and click House Commission. Now this is where you can set up your commission. Now here, enter the percentage you want to ask for a commission. I'm going to enter 20. Now when a customer orders any job from a freelancer, 20% of the amount will be shared with you as the commission. Once you have done that, click Save Settings. Okay, so now we have successfully set up the commission. Once you've done that, next, let's see how someone can post a job on your site. Now let's say a visitor wants to post a job on your site and clicks Post Job. You can see that they have to log into their account. Now to post their job, first, they need to create an account on your site. So to create an account, let's click on Register and it will take you to this page. Now here it will show you two options. Since the visitor wants to post jobs on our site, they need to choose the seller option. So let's click that. Now if they fill in these details, and clicks Register, it will ask them to verify the email address. Now let's go to the visitor's inbox and you can see the verification email. Now if they open it and click on this link, it will verify the email ID and take them to the seller's dashboard. This is the place where the seller can manage their jobs and orders. So now the visitor has created their account and become a seller on your website. This means they can now post their jobs and services on your website. So once the seller has registered on your site, you will receive an email. So let's go to our inbox. Now if you open the mail, it will show us the seller who has registered on our site. Now if you click this link, you can see the list of all the sellers. Now if you want to remove any seller, just click delete and they will be removed from the list. So once the seller has created an account, they can now post jobs on your site. Now to post the job, let's go to the seller's dashboard, then click post job, and it will take you to this page. Now here, enter the job details. Once you're done, just click save. And you can see that the job has been posted on the site. Now if you see here, it shows that their job is pending and waiting for approval. This means that the seller's job is not displayed on your site until you approve the job.
So next, let's see how you can approve the job posted by the seller. Now whenever a seller posts a job, you will receive an email to your inbox. So to approve the seller's job, let's go to our inbox.
Here you can see that we have received an email. So let's open that. Now if you click on this link, you can see that it directly takes you to the jobs page and you can see all the jobs which are available and waiting for approval. Now to approve the seller's job, just click here, then click edit, and it will show you the details of the job. So once you have read all the details, just click here and change the status to live. This means that you have approved the job and it will be displayed on your site. Now click Save Changes and the job will be approved. So to check it, let's go back to our seller's dashboard, click Refresh, and you can see that the status has changed to live, which means the job has been approved. It will be displayed on the site and the visitors can view and purchase the job. Now if the visitor already has an account, they can go ahead and purchase the seller's job. So let's go to the visitor's dashboard, then click here and click View for the seller's job. Now if they have any queries regarding the seller's job, they can click this message button and clarify their doubts with the seller. Now here they can type their message, and if they click send, you can see that the message has been sent to the seller. Now the seller will look into the queries and they'll send their reply. Now as you can see, they have got a reply from the seller. Now if they are satisfied with the reply, they can go ahead and purchase the job. So let's click Buy. Then click Pay Now. And it will take them to the payment page. Now if they enter these details and click Pay, you can see that they have purchased the job. Now if they click here, it will take them to the dashboard. And if they click here, they can see the job they have purchased. Now if they click View, you can see the job status as waiting. This means that the seller has not yet accepted the job. So when a visitor purchases a job, an email will be sent to you and the seller about the purchase. Now if you go to the admin inbox, you can see that we have received 2 emails, one from our website and one from Stripe. So let's open the first email from Stripe. And as you can see, we have received the payment from our customer. Now if we go back and open the second email from our website, you can see that we have received the order, and if you click on the link, you can see the order and also you can see the payment that has been made. Okay, now the seller will also receive an email. So if we go to the seller's inbox and open the email, you can see that they have received a job order. Now if the seller clicks on the link, it will take them to your website. Now if they click My Account, it will take them to the seller's dashboard. So if they click here, you can see the job purchased by the visitor. As you can see, the status is pending. Now to accept the job, they can click on View, then click Update, and click OK. Now here you can see that the status has been changed to Accepted. Once the seller accepts the job, the customer will receive a mail about the job status. So if we go to our customer's inbox and open the mail, you can see that the job has been accepted and the seller has started their work. So to check it, let's go to the visitor's dashboard. And if you click refresh, you can see that the order has been accepted. Okay, just like the customer did previously, the seller can directly chat with the customer from their dashboard once they accept the job. All they have to do is click View, enter their message here, then click Send, and the customer will receive the message here. Now if they click on it, you can see the message sent by the seller. In the same way, the customer can send a reply from their dashboard. Now once the seller completes the job, they can deliver the product through chat by sending a link here or attaching a file. To attach a file, just click Attach File, click Browse. Now select your file, and if they click Open, you can see that their file has been sent and the product has been delivered to the customer. Once the product is delivered, the seller can change the job status to Delivered. So to do that, just click Set Delivered. Now the customer has to approve the delivery. To do that, let's go to the customer's dashboard, and if you click here, you can see the product sent by the seller. Once the customer views the product and is satisfied with it, they can approve the delivery. Now to approve it, just close this and click Approve. So now the customer has approved the delivered product and the order is complete. As you can see, the job status has been changed. Now let's go to the seller's dashboard, click Refresh. Now if we click View, here you can see the total amount paid by the customer and the commission taken by the admin. So the balance which we have here is the money that the seller can request from the admin.
Now as the money was sent to your Stripe account, you need to make the payments to the seller for the order they've received. Next, let's see how a seller can request the money from the admin. So to request the money,
just click My Balance, and here the seller can send their request to the admin. Now here, your seller has to select the payment method so that you can send the money to them. So to select the payment method, just click here, and here they need to select how they want to receive the payment. As you can see, PayPal has been selected by default. Now if you click here, you can see the different payment methods that are available. So if the seller wants to receive payments to their PayPal account, they can select the PayPal option. And if they want to receive payments to their bank account, they just have to select the bank option. They can also get their payment from the admin directly by choosing this option. I'm going to choose the PayPal option. Here you need to enter the email which you have been using for your PayPal account. I'm going to enter that. So when the seller sends their request, you can send the money to this account. Once they've entered their details, they can click Save Changes. So now the seller has successfully set up their payment method and they can now send a request to the admin. So to send the request, click Balance, enter the message here, now type the amount here, click Request, and the request will be sent. Now once the seller has sent the request, you will receive an email. So to check it, let's go to our inbox, open this mail, and you can see that we have got the request. So to accept the seller's request, just click on this link and it will take you to this dashboard. Here you can see which seller has sent the request and their amount. Now to send the payment, all you have to do is just click edit and it will take you to this page. Here you will find the payment method chosen by the seller. So based on these details, you can send the payment to the seller. Once you have sent the payment, you can notify the seller by updating the status. So to do that, just click here and select paid. In the same way, change the status to complete. Here you can enter the date and time when the payment was sent. Once you're done, scroll down and click update order. So now we successfully sent the payment to the seller. Now if we go back, you can see that the status has been updated on our dashboard. Now if we go to our seller's dashboard and click refresh, you can see that they have received the payment. So this is how a seller can receive payments from the admin. So now you know how a seller can request the money from the admin and how you can send the money to them. Now if the seller goes to the home page and scrolls down, you can only see the job which we posted and the seller's job is not added here. Now let's say the seller wants their job to be displayed on the home page. How will they do it? They can do it by promoting their job. So to promote the seller's job, just click My Account. Now go to Jobs. Then click here and select Upgrade. You can see the amount which the seller has to pay to promote their job on your homepage. You can also change this price to the price you want. Let's go to our dashboard. Then go to Job Settings. Now if you click Upgrades, you will get this page where you can change the promotion price. So to change it, just click here and enter the price you want. Once you're done, click Save Settings and the price will be saved. Now if the seller goes back to their dashboard and clicks refresh, you can see that the promotion price has been changed. Now they can click Upgrade. Then click Pay. Fill up these details. Once that's done, click Pay. And you can see that they successfully made their payment, which means the job will be now promoted on your homepage. So to check it, let's go to the homepage. Now if we scroll down and then click refresh, you can see that the seller's job is now displayed on the homepage. So this is how a seller can promote their job on your site. Next, let's go to the final part of this video where we'll see how you can edit any page on your website. First, let's go to our site. Now let's say you want to edit the homepage. So just go to your dashboard. Then go to Design and click Manage Website Pages. Since I want to edit the homepage, click the edit icon here and it will take you to this editing section. Now let's say you want to change this text. All you have to do is select the text and then enter your own text. And as you can see, the text has been changed. In the same way, you can change any text on this page. Scroll down. So just select the text and then start typing. Now if you want to change the background image for this section, Just click on that image and you will get these options. Now click here. Then drag and drop an image from your computer. And as you can see, the background image has been changed. In the same way, you can change any image on your site. Once you're done with the changes, click Update. Now if we go to our website and click Refresh, you can see that all the changes we made have been applied. In the same way, you can edit any page you want on your website. Okay, now let's say you want your logo to be here instead of this one. How will you change this logo? So once you've changed the text and images on your website, next, let's see how you can change the logo of your website. So to change the logo, let's go back to our dashboard. Now click Logos and Fonts. And you will get this page where you can change the logos on your website. Now to change this logo in the header section, just click on Select Logo. Then drag your logo and drop it here. Now scroll down, click Insert into Post. And you can see that the logo has been changed for the header section. In the same way, you can change the logo for the footer section. Once you have changed the logo, click Save Settings. And the logo will be added to your site. So if we go back to our site and click Refresh, you can see that the logo has been changed for the header section. And if you scroll down, you can see that it's changed for the footer section also. So this is how you can edit any page on your website and change the logo for your website. Now here you can see that our website address ends with makeyourwp.com. Now instead of this, if you want your website to have a simple address like onlinehire.com, which looks more professional, you can do that by getting your own domain name for your site. So next, let's see how you can get your own domain name for your freelancing website. So to get your own domain name, just click the link in the description and it will take you to the homepage of Webspace Kit. So this is the website where you can buy your domain. Now here, enter the name you want for your website. I'm going to enter onlinehire.com. Now if you click search, you can see that the domain name is available. So once you find your domain, to get this domain, just click Add to Cart and click Continue. Now here it will ask you to select a hosting plan. As we have already hosted our site on makeyourwp, let's click Skip and it will take you to the cart page. Now here you can see that we're getting this domain for 1 year. And after 1 year, you can renew your domain to keep using it. So to get this domain, let's fill up these details. And then enter your payment details. Now if we click Order Now, you can see that we have successfully made our payment. Now if we click here, you can see that we have got our domain. Okay, so once you've got your domain, how do you connect this domain with your website? So next, let's see how you can connect this domain to your freelancing website, which we just built. So to connect this domain, we are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to add this domain to your website. So to add the domain, let's go to makeyourwp.com and click on Domains. Now here you need to enter the domain name which you have purchased. So I'm going to enter onlinehire.com. Once you have entered your domain name, let's go to the final step, which is to add this IP address to your domain. So to add it, let's go to this tab. Then click Domains. Now click here. Select Manage Domain and go to Manage DNS. Now next to this area code, we need to add our IP address, which is shown here. So let's go back to this page. Copy this IP address. Then come back to our domain and paste the IP address here. Once you're done, click Save Changes. Now let's go back to makeyourwp and click Connect Domain. So now we've successfully connected our new domain name to our website. So let's check it. Now if we open a new tab and type a new domain name, which is onlinehired.com, and now if we press enter, you can see that we've got a freelancing website which we just created. And if we scroll down, you can see the jobs which we created. So now your visitors and customers can use this domain name to access your site. So this is how you can get your own domain name for your website.
Okay, so that's it guys. This is how you can create a freelancing website like Fiverr. Now if you're ready to make your freelancing website, just click the link below this video and it will take you to the Make Your WP page where you can launch your site and start building a freelancing website. Now if you don't have the time to build a freelancing website or you want to have some additional features, you can hire a professional from Fiverr to do it for you just by clicking here. Make sure you click the subscribe button to see more videos from us. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.